Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can read audio file or some other file from the external storage devices in Android 11 or later version as well as in previous version also. In my previous video I have explained how we can access the external storage permission in Android 11. That I have explained like this. These permissions are required. Previously we were using read external storage and write external storage permission, but these permission is only valid till the SDK 29, but in 30 and above this permission is required, that is manage external storage. So we have to use the manage external storage permission and we have to ask this permission on runtime from the user. If user accept the permission, then we will be able to read the data or file from the external storage. So for that I have made here coding. This all coding I have explained in my previous video. To know more about these coding, you have to watch my previous video. That video I will tag in my this video on YouTube as a I tag, so you can click on I tag and you can watch this all code, what is the mean of this. But here I am just explaining you to understand that I am asking a permission first of all called request permission, that if the version is R means it is greater than 29 of library and equal to this, then we are asking this manage permission, that is setting dot action manage app all file access permission, and we are passing the package name also. So which package is required to ask the permission, and then we are also asking for this, we are also setting the action and category as a default. And now we are using this register for activity result. We are not using here start activity for result, that is deprecated. So we are using a new way to launch this activity. If error found, then we will ask this type of permission. So these two combination will work for Android 11, but for previous version we just ask the same permission and we give the request code 30 request permission. These two permissions we are asking for previous version, and if we are giving a request, then the result will come here. If the permission is allowed, then we are saying that permission granted. If not allowed, then permission deny. If we are not getting a proper result, then you deny the permission. So this kind of things we are telling here. All in detail I have explained in my previous video, that will be tagged as a I tag on this video, so you can watch from there. And here we are checking permission. If permission is already given, then it will run without asking the permission. Similarly, this activity result launcher will calling this intent, and the result of this intent will come here in this place, and we are asking that if already permission is given, then permission granted, otherwise we are saying permission denied. So this kind of things we will do. And here now we are going to make a coding to access the file from the external storage devices. For that I have already uploaded some images in external storage. You can see if I go there, device file explorer, in device file explorer, and we go to the SD card, that is external, and in this music folder I have uploaded so many MP3 files. You can upload these more file, just click on upload and you can upload more file. I will access these file in my list view. That is the purpose of this video. Now in this emulator I have already installed this image and ask the permission. So first of all I have to uninstall this, so I will uninstall it. So like this we have uninstall it. Now I'm doing my coding. So here I will write my code. For that I have designed a list view also. The list view is there, and I have created the object of list view, this one, and one adapter also to pass data to list view. Then here we are checking if check permission. If the permission is already given, then we will do the code. Else if permission is not given, then we will request the permission. So here what we are doing, if permission is given, then we are creating a file directory to access the files from the directory, that is environment dot get external storage public directory, and here we are passing music directory because we want to access the data from this, and we are converting this into string dot value of. So directory has been come. Now we will read all the mp3 file from this. So file, then we are accessing the mp3 files, and here we say directory dot list file, and here in list file we can pass the file filter object, and here we can pass the permission, pass the condition that will search out the mp3 file from there, ends with, and we are saying that mp3 file should be end. Then we are accessing this values here. You see, if all the files in, if the files in this music folder are mp3, these all file will come here. Then I will access these file by using for loop, like this, and one by one I will add these file in my array list. So I am just creating a array list also here of string type. We can say mp3 file, and here array list string type we are creating. Now we are adding this information in mp3 array list dot add f dot get absolute path. Full path we are adding here, but later on we can add file name also or some other thing, but I am here just displaying the full path first. Then file will come here, data will be come in mp3 file. Now we will use adapter array adapter, and here we are passing string, and here we are passing the context, and we are passing here the id android dot r dot layout dot list item, and we are passing here mp3 files that we have added here, like this. So after reading the information and adding into the adapter, we have to pass this in a list view. So list view we have to access that list view. I will access by, we have access already, find by view id, and then I will set the adapter like this. like this way. I have set the adapter also. So we get the permission, we have add the file, and we have set the adapter also. So I think everything is done now. If I run this program, you say this is asking the internal storage permission because we have set, we are requesting this permission if permission is not allowed. So first time we are running this application, that's why we have to allow the permission. Now second time I will run it, it will read the file. You see all the MP3 file are displaying here. From here just you click on index and pass the path of the file, and you can play the music file. Here I have given the absolute path. If you want to display only the file name, then you can say get name only. It will display only the file names. You see only file names are coming, so it is depend on you what data you want to display here, and just click on this files. You can play music by accessing the full path also. So that is the way to access the external storage files from the external storage in Android 11 and later one. This is the modify code and optimize code. So this video is divided in two parts. The first part I have already explained previously. That video I will tag as a I tag in this video. You can watch from there how we can ask these permission and how we can create these function, check permission and request permissions, and how we can manage the external storage permission. Then we can perform this code which I have explained you here to read the file from external storage in latest Android 11 and previous and later all the versions so far with the latest API and with latest updated code. Thank you for watching my video.